Hi everybody, Chuck and Glenn. We're bringing you a repeat of something we've done before, but we got a whole bunch of them. Listen, we ordered a lot, really a lot, like over 100, and they sent us more than we ordered. Now we paid for them, we're honest, we won't cheat anybody.
Of course.
But we've got plenty of them
Right,
around.
we do.
So, here's our special. Take it away.
Well, let's talk about it first. It's the King tree mount. Stainless steel, powder-coated bronze, so it blends right in with the tree. Threaded to here, this allows 20 years of tree growth. It's got a hex head in it. This is for the people who haven't seen it or used it. Most of you have. You zip that baby into the tree. Your wire, there's a hole for your wire out the side. You have a TreeLight up in, what, 1 minute?
Faster than that.
Faster than that.
Aiming is great, and if you don't have it aimed quite right, and you can't jockey the fixture, and you put a little bend in it like I did. But that is the best tree mount
man.
you've ever. I'm telling you, I got a bunch of them at my house.
Awesome.
And, yeah, I got them on my my shade deck thing there, and they're cool.
They are cool.
Very fast. I mean, the old fumbling around trying to get the screw in, not a go.
Nope.
Yep, this is it. So it's a King product, and this was, you guys will find this interesting, was developed from King doing a think tank with a bunch of lighting guys.
Kind of a round table. They ask every year for people to send, for us to send people, and one guy had an idea, and King developed it, and he gets royalties from it. So very cool behind, history of it as well.
Extremely cool. So we normally sell them for 20 bucks. We got a lot of them. Help us out. What's the price?
18 bucks.
There you have it from the deal maker.
Guys, we don't make much on them as it is, but it's a cool item. That's a pretty good deal. We got a bunch in stock.
Yeah, and I want to say one other thing. This looks like, well, that looks like flimsy. That is not flimsy.
No.
Let me tell you something.
It's stainless. It's solid.
Bad but product.
Yeah.
Good. Real good. All right. Thank you guys for listening.
Call us first.